This is a review of the BC Environmental Management Act, specifically Part 3, which covers municipal waste management. These are the topics we will be going over today. So the Environmental Management Act is an integrated approach to environmental management. This act includes the management of municipal waste in BC. The municipal waste management part in specific mandates regional districts develop plans for the management of municipal waste, which, while protecting the environment and public health, the Act provides the authority for introducing waste into the environments, including permits, regulations, codes, fines, and penalties. This is an important issue since with a growing population, we have growing waste volumes. And as you can see in this figure, Canada is a leader in municipal waste generation. So waste management systems are becoming more and more important. So what is municipal waste? It is refuse that originates from residential, commercial, institutional, demolition, land clearing, or construction sources. This includes recycling, organics, landfill waste, and sewage. So the municipal waste management, specifically in BC, under the EMA, all regional districts must submit a solid waste management plan to the Ministry of Environment. There's a guide to solid waste management planning, which provides advice in developing these plans. The Ministry of Environment approves the plans after public and stakeholder consultation and can approve none, all, or some of the plan, cancel existing plans, and set conditions for approval. The government of BC has a large focus on heading towards zero waste, and they're believers in the 5R pollution prevention hierarchy, which is to reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and have residuals management. So a summary of solid waste management plans. All regional districts must prepare one. And from the EMA, the plans must be for the benefit of the whole area or regional district. They must comply with the regulations and also be in respect to biomedical waste. There are also liquid waste management plans. However, those are not mandatory for districts. The Guide to Solid Waste Management is a outline of recommended practices that helps districts develop their plans. It reflects the ministry's expectations. The ministry has set 2 provincial goals to reach by 2020. The first being to lower municipal solid waste disposal from 570 to 350 kilograms per person, which is quite a large decrease, and also to have 75% of BC's population covered by organic waste disposal restrictions. There are several objectives within the Guide to Solid Waste Management. I won't read them all because you could look them up under the BC Management Guide, but here are the first 6, and then now the last 2. Here are some relevant acts and regulations that are related to this section of the Management Act. As for amendments, in 2002, the Ministry of Water, Land and Air reviewed the government's previous environmental management work and worked towards creating the Environmental Management Act. In 2004, the EMA took effect, which replaced the predecessing act of the same name and the Waste Management Act, and no specific amendments have been made to EMA Part 3 so far. So in summary, we feel that municipal solid waste management plans have thorough guidelines and suggested practice through the EMA and supporting documents. We agree that focus on the 5 R's is the most sustainable way to deal with waste going forward. But some suggestions that can be made are maybe some incentives for manufacturers to create with less packaging, and also for consumers, promotion of using less in all regions of BC.
This video was created for the 3rd year environmental policy class in the Department of Civil Engineering at the University of Victoria, supervised by Mehdi Bagheri. Thank you for listening.